Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a super exciting milestone. What to do with your first £1,000 to invest. £1,000 might not seem like a fortune, but if you use it wisely, it can be the start of building serious long-term wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So let's go step by step through some smart ways to put that first £1,000 to work. Step 1. Build a safety net. Before you jump into investing, ask yourself, do I have an emergency fund? If the answer is no, it might be smart to set aside at least a few £100s in a savings account first. Think of it as your safety net, so if something unexpected happens, you won't have to pull money out of your investments. Once you've got that buffer in place, your £1,000 is ready to grow. Step 2. Index funds and ETFs. One of the simplest and safest ways to invest your first £1,000 is through index funds or ETFs. These are baskets of stocks that track the market, like the S&P 500 in the US or the FTSE 100 in the UK. Instead of betting on one company, you're spreading your money across hundreds. It's a low-cost, low-stress way to get exposure to the stock market. And historically, the market has gone up over time, even with ups and downs along the way. Step 3. Automate your investing. Once you've chosen an index fund or ETF, the next smart move is to set up automatic contributions. Even if you can only add £50 or £100 a month, automation builds the habit. Over time, you'll grow your portfolio without having to think about it. This is where your £1,000 becomes the seed that grows into something much bigger. Step 4. Consider a retirement account. Depending on where you live, you may have tax-advantaged accounts like an ISA in the UK. Investing your first £1,000 in an ISA means your money can grow tax-free, which makes a huge difference over the long run. If retirement feels far away, just remember, future you will thank you for starting early. Step 5. Learn about fractional shares. Another great option is fractional shares. Let's say you want to own big companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla, but their stock prices are in the hundreds or thousands of pounds. With fractional shares, you can invest as little as £10 into those companies. How your £1,000 can instantly be spread across lots of different investments, even with smaller amounts. Step 6. Diversify. While most of your first £1,000 should go into a broad market fund, you might want to use a small chunk, say £100, to experiment. That could be individual stocks, a REIT, real estate investment trust, or even dipping your toes into new asset classes. It keeps things interesting, but your core investments stay safe and diversified. Step 7. Avoid common mistakes. Here's what not to do with your first £1,000. Don't put it all into risky meme stocks or crypto hoping for overnight gains. Don't try to time the market, it's almost impossible. And don't invest money you'll need next month for rent or bills. Remember, investing is about patience, not quick wins. So to recap, build a small emergency fund first. Put most of your first £1,000 into an index fund or ETF. Automate your contributions. Take advantage of tax-free accounts like an ISA. Maybe experiment with a small percentage for fun. That's it. You've officially started your investing journey. Now I want to know, if you had £1,000 to invest right now, where would you put it? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more beginner-friendly investing tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!